Hey everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to install a kitchen faucet. The faucet we're using for this example is a Moen Adler, but most single-handle kitchen faucets install in the same way, so even if this isn't your exact model, the process will be very similar. Unboxing Moen Adler. In the box you'll find the instructions, but you won't need those because I'm going to show you exactly how to install it. You'll see the mounting plate for a 3-hole setup. If your sink only has 1 hole, you won't need this. The holster for a 4-hole setup, this goes in the right hole. The nut that holds the faucet onto the sink. Inside the small bag, you'll find the sprayer and the sprayer clip. This is a clip-in style, so it's easy to attach. And finally, the faucet itself, which comes with pre-connected supply lines. If you need longer supply lines, you'll have to buy those separately. Step 1. Mount the faucet. Start by putting the faucet through the mounting plate, then slide the supply lines down through the center hole of your sink. If you're using the 4th hole on the right, that's for the sprayer holster. When you place the faucet, make sure it sits properly in the small notch on the mounting plate. Some people like to add silicone under the mounting plate, but since it already has a rubber gasket, it's not really necessary unless you prefer extra sealing. Step 2. Tighten the mounting nut. Take the nut and slide it up from underneath the sink along the supply lines. Tighten it by hand, finger tight is enough. You don't need a wrench for this step. That's one of the great things about this faucet design. It's easy to install by hand. Just snug it up firmly using your fingers. Step 3. Install the sprayer holster. Now remove the nut from the bottom of the holster and place the holster into the 4th hole on the sink. It also has a rubber gasket underneath, so silicone isn't necessary. From underneath the sink, screw the nut onto the bottom of the holster. Once the holster is attached, slide the sprayer hose through it. Then snap the clip onto the end of the hose and push the hose up into the bottom of the faucet until it clicks. Step 4. Connect the supply lines. The supply lines already have rubber gaskets inside, so you don't need any Teflon tape or pipe compound. The hot line has a tag that says hot. That one connects to the line on the left. If you're unsure which valve is for hot water, it's usually the one connected to the dishwasher. First, tighten both lines by hand, then use a wrench to snug them up securely. If you have flexible PEX lines like I do here, hold the water shutoff valve with pliers or another wrench while tightening to prevent twisting. Step 5. Turn on the water supply. Now turn the shutoff valves back on. Sometimes a valve might start leaking slightly from the packing nut. This is common and easy to fix. If you see a few drips, just use a wrench to tighten the packing nut right behind the handle, about 1/8 of a turn. That should stop the leak. Step 6. Flush and test the faucet. Before using the faucet for the first time, remove the aerator from the spout. This step isn't required, but it helps flush out any debris that may have entered the lines during installation. Now test the faucet and sprayer. Make sure everything works smoothly and there are no leaks above or below the sink. And that's it. You've just installed your new kitchen faucet. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful DIY tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.